So, today we are going to discuss the E-Accounting Unit 1, Chapter 3, the Communication Technology. Students, this chapter is a very important through your examinations point of view. So, let's start with the introductions part. Communication technology is a transfer of message among people or machines through the use of technology. This processing of informations can help people to make decisions, solve problems, and control machines. Technology has changed modern life in many ways, especially in the workplace. The invention of computer, the miniaturizations of electronics, and the development of wireless communications have all changed the business world. Business communication in particular has seen some great advances due to technology's developments. Communication is becoming much easier than before due to the appearance of internet. Internet is a worldwide system of interconnected computer networks. The computer networks exchange information using TCP transmissions control protocol and IP internet protocol to communicate with each other. The computers are connected via the telecommunication networks, and the internet can be used for emailing, transferring files, and accessing information on the World Wide Web. Internet-based services for communication. Some of the basic services available for internet users are the voice over IP. A growing class of data being transferred over the internet is a voice data. A protocol called the voice over IP enables the sounds to be converted to a digital format for transmissions over the internet, then recreate at the other end. By using many existing technologies and software, voice communications over the internet is now available to anyone with a browser. Email. Email is a short for electronic mail similar to a letter. It is sent via the internet to a recipient. An email address is required to receive email, and that address is unique to the user. Some people use internet-based applications, and some use programs on their computer to access the stored email. Sending or receiving documents over internet is called email. The documents can be in the form of image, audio, video, or text. To send email, you must have an email address of a person to whom you want to send the email. It is one of the fastest and cheapest mode of communications. Long documents, spreadsheets, image, audios, even video can be sent along with email as attachment. It's possible to send the same message to several people. You can read or type email online or offline. You can forward the message to others without retyping. You can take printout of your email. You can scan the mail for wireless using antivirus software. You can delete email also. And there is a step for the email. You have to not skip one time, but you have to read one time this step, all steps. If you done email practically, then you can easily mug up all step easily, and you can write in your examination also. And third one is a telnet. Telnet, it allows users to log into a remote computer as though it were a local system. FTP, it allows the users to transfer virtually every kind of file that can be stored on a computer from one internet connected computer to another. Usenet News. Usenet News is a distributed bulletin board that offers combinations, news and discussions app services on a thousand of topics. World Wide Web, a hypertext interface of international resources. www, a technical definitions of World Wide Web is all the resources and users on the net that are using the hypertext transfer protocols.